Hello, today at Carroll Lutheran Village we are going to be making a Greek marinated chicken, and you can use a boneless chicken breast for this recipe. You could use thighs, but today we're going to be using a bone-in chicken quarter. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my marinade mixture. We have some fresh lemon here, which I'm going to grate. We also have some salt and pepper, some olive oil. We have some plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you like. This is just a plain yogurt unsweetened that we're going to use today. Freshly chopped garlic and some dried oregano. So first of all, we're going to take some of that lemon zest and we're going to zest that and put that in our marinade. And this marinade is best when you marinate your product overnight. So you could use this for chicken, you could use this for salmon if you'd like. You can even marinate shrimp in this, though I wouldn't do it overnight. I would just do it a few hours. But we're making some of this lemon zest here. Now you don't want to get down into the white part. You just want to take that zest off because the white part of the lemon will get very bitter. So we're going to put that in there and scrape that off. Lemon zest gives it a lot of flavor. Then we're also going to use the juice of our lemon. I like to go around and just pull the seeds out there. Squeeze that into our marinade. And then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. And this marinade can actually be made a day in advance. You can hold in the refrigerator for a few days, so you could make it one day and then the next day put your chicken in it. We also have some salt and pepper here. We'll put that in as well. Olive oil. Fresh garlic. I like to use fresh. A little bit of dried oregano. Sprinkle that in there. And of course our yogurt. Once that's all in our bowl here, we're going to mix it up real good. And like I said, this can be made in advance and put in your refrigerator till you're ready to use it. So now we have our marinated mixed up. We've got our chicken. We're using fresh breast quarters today. You can see those. So I like to rinse them off a little bit. And what I like to do is put them in a bag and marinate them overnight. So if you don't have a bag or you would prefer to use a pan, you can certainly do that as well. You would just put your chicken in and lay your marinade on top. But we're going to put the chicken in our bag here, and then we're going to put the marinade in, and then we're going to let that sit overnight. Get all that in there. You can see, and I like to zip it up and just kind of shake it around there so it covers all of your product. And then you're going to put that in your refrigerator and you're going to let that sit overnight. So our Greek chicken has been marinating overnight and we're going to get it ready to go into the oven. So I've got a pan here. It should have a lot of nice flavor in there. Now I just like to take it with my hand and pull it out and lay it in your baking dish. And then you can pour some of that marinade down over your chicken, and that'll cook up really nice. And then so now our chicken is done, and we've plated it here with some grilled lemon and some fresh herbs. And we'll be running this this week here at Carroll Lutheran Village.